In this video, I will show you how to get access to the borrow feature on Cash App and what you can do if the option is not available on your account. Now, Cash App's borrow feature allows eligible users to take out a short-term loan directly through the app. However, it is not available to every account, and eligibility depends on several factors determined by Cash App. To learn more about your eligibility, you can open Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then scroll down, select Support, then search for Borrow, and Cash App will provide information about the feature, including the factors that may affect whether it's available on your account. Now, some of these factors include your state of residence, whether you have an active Cash App card, your overall Cash App usage, and your credit history. If you don't have an active Cash App card, it is a good idea to order and activate one, since it may be considered as part of your account eligibility. Regularly using Cash App for payments and other supported features may also help build activity on your account. Now, if you have met the requirements but still don't see the borrow option, you can contact Cash App support directly through the app. Do it by opening the support starter chat and asking whether your account is eligible for the borrow feature. Now they can provide more information about your account status. Once the borrow feature becomes available, you will find it in your Cash App account under the available financial services section. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.